Hey guys, and welcome back to EQ Planes, and today I'll be showing you guys a model I've been waiting for a bit, the Canadian North 737-400 Combi, made by Panda Models, so I know it's going to be pretty good. Knowing Panda Models, I believe, given their WestJet 737-600 I own, tend to produce high-quality models. Now, this was originally made custom for Prairie Diecast, but it is now only available on the Canadian North store. Now, this is the only Canadian North model in existence that's not a custom in the new livery. And the other old livery Canadian North models, well, they are very expensive and very hard to find. I believe there was a Dash 8, which goes for maybe, I think, $200 Canadian on eBay. And they made a 737 in the old livery with the Polar Bear a while ago. And to be honest, you've never even seen it on eBay. So yeah, anyways, let's get into this now. This took a fair bit to ship, but, well, it's just Canada Post for you. I ordered it October the 28th, I believe, and it's been a little over a month, December 3rd, as of the date of recording, and yeah, and already tell this model looks absolutely excellent right here. Now, Panda Models, I believe, are a company that's on level with NG in quality. The colors on here are absolutely stunning in my opinion. The detail on the model also very nice. Now, as you can see, since it's a combi, you have the combi door here. So in the back you have a spot where they can sit, and another area which is reserved for cargo. And in a lot of the aircraft, this can be switched out. But I believe in this particular one, this front area where you can see the windows are blocked out, tends to stay cargo. Now, this usually flies more in Eastern Canada, as this plane used to operate with First Air. But it has come to Calgary. Unfortunately, I missed it. I was at school that day. And yeah, I would have liked to seen it, though. So I will be using this as my Canadian North model. Unlike other Canadian North planes in the new livery, you can see it has that gray bit underneath, which I think is inherited from First Air. Now, they only have a couple 737-400s in their fleet. I believe they have 2 combis and 1 full passenger configuration. Correct me if I'm wrong. But most of the fleet is made up of 737-300s. And then they also have some 700s, which I'm hoping NG Models does, and they have ATRs as well. Now, yeah, I would, if you're a Canadian collector, especially, I'd highly suggest you get this. It should be available on the Canadian North website. I also got this Canadian North shirt. See if you can get a good view of it, but yeah, I mean, it looked pretty cool, so I got that. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys back next time.